Hello everyone, this is Joset from Elizabeth Craft Designs. For anyone that doesn't know me yet, I'm the designer of the Cute and Whimsical collection for Elizabeth Craft Designs. Normally you see Els here introducing my new releases, but today I have the honor to be here myself, so super excited about that. This collection is a follow-up one from my previous two, Meet the Mice and Good Times. And then this collection includes even more fun accessories to dress up the little mouse, the big mouse, take them on an adventure, create some beautiful sceneries, interactive cards, you name it. There's so much fun things what you can do with this release. I know our design team members had a really nice time creating some beautiful samples. I was amazed by all of them. I can't show them all yet, but I will show some in this video. So let me turn the camera around and I will show each of the products. Enjoy! So Meet the Mice was our first release that included the two basic mice. So we've got the 2203 and the big mouse, and then the 2204 little mouse. So you'll need these two dies for the new collection Living It Up. So this collection includes 8 die sets and 2 stamp sets. The first one here is the 2284 Little Mouse Winter Accessories. So this one is specifically designed for the little mouse. It includes 2 different outfits, 2 different hats, goggles, some mittens, shoes, and a snowboard. Then we have the next one is the 2285 Big Mouse Accessories. So this one is designed for the big mouse. It also has 2 different outfits, the scarf, the mittens, some boots, and instead of a snowboard, this one has the skis. And although the clothing is specifically designed for the big and the little mouse, you see samples, we've seen lots of really nice samples made where the design team combined the two. So the snowboard is used for the big mouse, or the skis for the little mouse. I'll show some samples with these 2 dies as well. So here we have a really nice one made just for you, it says. And here you can see the little mouse dressed up with the snowboard, and then our design team member put the poles next to it too, really nice. This one and all these beautiful samples that I will show you in this video are made by our fantastic design team members. They really did an amazing job. Really happy with all the samples we received. So this one here too, you'll see the little mouse here, and this one is riding his snowboard, and here the skis for the other one. Looks like he kind of made a fall. Super fun card. Love this one. And here we have some more. Here you see the clothing of the big mouse. With the skis, let the adventure begin. This one, love this one, where the goggles, like some acetate is used. They look so cool. And the skis are being used for this one again. And then here, this is actually where they combined the clothing from the big mouth for the little mouse. So you see the jacket is a bit oversized, but it looks super fun. Do more of what you love. Love that. And then this one, a fantastic card with the little mouse and the big one. Oh, and look at this. You're on another level. You're the best. Super fun. So let me just put these 2 dies on the side, and I'll go over the stamp sets later on as well. I'll just go through all the dies first. Next one is the 2286 Winter Scenery Accessories. The little mouse is displayed on the packaging. But this set includes the trees and the sleigh. So really fun. I'll show some samples with that one as well. Here, this is a fantastic one. Here actually, this one was made by Kate. She made a 3D sleigh, so love that. Yeah, and then some more samples. Here another one. The big mouse, mom or dad is pulling the little mouse on the sleigh. Really nice. And another one, just a very beautiful scenery with the sleigh there and some winter accessories. And you can see the next die already in the release on the background here. That is the 2287 Winter Cabin. So yeah, just to make a nice winter scenery. So the cabin, it's got all the nice wood embossing. This is the sample that we use for the packaging. And here you can see you can open a door, have something peeking behind. Love that. Some nice speckles on this one, which looks like snow. And we have some beautiful samples here too. Here, this is just a nice winter scenery. Love how this path is made. That's from the side beams here. This designer made a nice path. Joset, it is Joset made this nice card. Really fun. Do more of what you love. Another beautiful card. This is actually, it's already shown another one of our dies in this collection. Happiness is homemade. So yeah, this is another die in this collection, which I will show you in a bit. So lovely samples with the winter cabin. The next die is the 2288 art accessories. Again, do what you love. This one is designed, the apron is designed for the little mouse, but the rest of the accessories obviously can be used for the big mouse too. Super fun. It's got the easel stand, the paint brushes, the water cup, and the paint colors in a tube. And these samples are so fun. Like, you can love how the mouse here is displayed. They're doing a portrait. But some more samples here. Do what you love. Love how the paint brushes or the paint is made here. Love the splatters of the paint here on the head. You're the most awesome. Super beautiful card too. Happy birthday. Ooh, this one went a bit splatters with the black. And here, love. That is so nice. Then the next die is 2289, the construction accessories. Well, do what you love, building things. This one is a great die for Father's Day cards or for boys. All the accessories in this set, tools, the constructions. This set is actually designed for the big mouse and the little mouse. So you can see here the little jacket fits the little mouse, and then the big mouse has the not the apron, the overall, and there's two different size heads, and then the big mouse has the belt as well. And I'll show some samples with this collection or this die. You're on another level. This guy is painting. Really nice. Oh, another spectacular card here. Look at this. Thank you for always building me up, Dad. Wow. This is fantastic. You're the most awesome, Dad. So nice, this card. You see all the accessories being used, all the tools. And then this one, you're the best dad I ever saw. The saw, love this. The saw packed in as a present. Really nice. The next die set, love this one. You could see it earlier on a card. It is the 2290 baking accessories. And this is such a fun die set. It has outfits for the big and the little mouse. So you can see it here. The big mouse has the tall hat, and then the shirt and the pants, and then the little mouse has the apron and the different style hat and all the fun accessories as well. And then I'll also show you our last die set in this collection, the 2291 cooking pots. And yeah, this one is designed to being combined with all the baking accessories. And yeah, that's what we've seen in all the samples as well. Super fun how our design team members combine these dies, and I'll show you some samples as well. So here we have the Master Chef. Bon appetit! Really nice with all the vegetables from the cook pots. Super fun. His outfit, Bon appetit. That's one of the stamps. This one is what's cooking. Well, it looks like he's making a nice vegetable soup. And then the broccoli, love this. This one is made by Joset. Joset did a fantastic job in making it look like real broccoli. Really nice. And then this one by Anita. This little guy, the secret ingredient is love. And a whole bunch of eggs. Love this. And here you can see a beautiful scenery too. You can see the big mouse with the little mouse. Actually, the little mouse here is wearing the shirt from the big set for the big mouse, which you can see it can all be combined together. And the mouse in the kitchen. Yeah, really nice. Love this as well. Count memories, not calories. Well, that's a good sentiment. Yeah, and the cooking pot was the 2291. Then I will show you the two stamp sets. It's the CS423 in the kitchen sentiments. So yeah, this one, very fun with all the baking accessories, the cook pot, what's cooking, happiness is homemade, thanks for dinner, baked with love, the count memories not calories, we've seen that one, the do more of what you love, well that one can be used for the skiing and the snowboarding and the painting. Bon appetit, you bake me happy, the secret ingredient is love, you are super awesome, to the best cook, you spice up my life, and happy birthday. And then this one is the CS424 Best Dad Sentiments. We've got the leveler, some tools, Dad, you're on another level, you're the most awesome, thank you, you gave me tools I never knew I needed, for always building me up, so that's a nice one to combine with the thank you, to the person that can fix anything, sorry I screwed up, for all you do, you're totally nailed it. Happy Father's Day, you're the best dad I ever saw from the Saw. So these were all the products in this collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoy this collection. It was really fun to create, and yeah, see you next time. Bye!